How to get Apple Music on Firestick. So, if you want to integrate or install your Apple Music into your actual Firestick TV, you need to make sure in order to do that is you have both of subscriptions to those. So, I have in here this article that can help us with this. So, you can stream Apple Music directly on the Firestick because there is no Apple Music app for Amazon's Fire TV. However, there's an Apple Music skill for Alexa, and Alexa is capable of streaming those music. First things first, head over to the Alexa app on your phone and then click on the more options right here. And you can see in here their skills. So just tap on the magnifying glass action or option there, and you should be able to see on here all of those options. Just type Apple Music, and then once you have done that, you should be able to see in here that. So just click onto this enable to use option. Then click on your settings and then link your Apple Music subscribe account. And in prompted, just select a web browser in order to successfully log in into your actual Apple Music. You can also obtain a two-factor code from your Apple device to enter it when prompted. And once you have successfully signed in into your Apple ID, it will actually access requests. So make sure to allow that and then close it. And you can now use it to stream Apple Music on your Fire TV device. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.